Hi, this is Marissa Zur from BS Enter 4.2, and now I'm going to report the summary of the history of the microfinance. First is microfinance was introduced in Bangladesh in the mid-1970s, which is the economic turmoil and the organization of the petroleum exporting countries oil crisis. This independence of the country was followed by a 9-month war with Pakistan, causing the economic devastation and aggravated poverty. So, the 1974 scarcity of food led to the death of the thousands of poor Bangladesh due to lack of government support. So, the country relied on international aid, but the rural areas remained isolated. So, because of that, Muhammad Yunus, a student of Chittagong University, initiated a microcredit project to reduce poverty. Also, Yunus discovered that the poor were trapped in a cycle of debt due to a lack of financial capital and overpriced capital providers. So, Yunus created the GB, or they called Grameen Bank, to meet the credit demands of the rural poor women. Because of this, Yunus' innovative approach to microcredit led to numerous awards, including the Nobel Peace Prize in 2006. Also, Grameen Bank was officially established in 1983 as the independent bank. The program was extended to the other districts and has since expanded to over 33 million people across Bangladesh and 120 countries.